Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to tell you that what's that thing which can help you to be a good speaker in English language. Okay, as you know that on this channel I upload videos related to English, that how I can help you to speak like me and better than me. Okay, so don't do delay and let's start the video. So first of all, you have to know that it's not a big deal to learn this language. Okay, it is a simple thing that has to keep in your mind. First and very important lesson is this, that don't take it too seriously. Okay, because you know that language is very easy for those persons who practice it on the daily basis. Let's take an example how you learned your native language. That can be Hindi, Telugu, Marathi, Kannada, whatever language you speak, how you learned that. I want to know about that from you. Okay, we all know that we have learned by practicing those words on the daily basis. So practice makes you perfect is a big thing you have to keep in your mind. So at this time, our first step is this: don't take this language too seriously, okay, and make it hard. When you think that, oh my god, someone is speaking English, that's a very big deal. That's not true. Okay, it is just a language and he is speaking a language. Not any big thing about this. So you have to take it simple. Now let's move the second steps. That is, now I want to show you one thing. What's this? Okay, can be that you have think that this is a bottle. Okay, now this is our next step. What's that? What's this? Whatever you see around you, think that thing in English. Okay, oh, this is a book, this is a notebook, this is a textbook. Okay, like anything you see around you, think in English and make at least simple sentence about that. So this is a bottle and we drink water through this water. Water can be stored in this bottle. Milk is also can be stored in this bottle. Like this you can make sentences. Okay, and now our third step is how you can make sentences. So for making sentences, you have to be control on your grammar like tense, voice, narration, etc. are very important part of grammar. You can't miss it. Okay, if you want to speak in India, then you have to command on your grammar. Okay, someone says, I have heard a lot of times that grammar is not too important to speak English. But you know that this is right for whom? This is right for those persons who belong to those situations where English is a common language and everyone usually speak. Okay, so for those grammar is not important. But like us, grammar is a very important part of speaking. Take an example. Let's take an example. Now I am going to say you a sentence in Hindi. You have to convert in English. If your native language is Hindi, then you have to. If your native language is not Hindi, then please listen to me without making any sense. So I say you that मैं सड़क पर जा रहा हूँ. Okay, this is a Hindi sentence, and I am saying you that make this in English. That means translate it. So how will you translate? How you will you define where is object, where is subject, where is verb, where I have to kept subject, where I have to kept object, where I have to kept verb? How will you know this? You can't know this if your grammar is not strong. So you have to work on your grammar. Okay. Now another steps is, see, as I started this video to say, practice makes you perfect. So in English, practice. How much will you practice is defined that how fluent you will be. Okay, practice and patience. Patience is also a big part. So you have to be a patientful and do practice daily basis. You can hear me as I speak in English. You can also record and speak in English. Okay, talk to your friends who are also interested in knowing this language. Okay, practice is very important. You have to do it. You can't miss it. Okay, bro. So these are the steps, some steps which is very important to speak English. You can't miss it, my friend. I'm telling you. Okay. Now, in next video, I will break a lot of difficulties of speaking English. So let's subscribe this channel. I am your friend. I will help you and also to myself to speak English. Thank you so much for watching this video.